Here we should find the roots are real or real or distinctive or imaginary. How many types of b square? B square minus 4 is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to is greater than 0. What is this? Roots are
real and distinct.
Roots are real and
Distinct.
roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Very important. This is distinct. And next one, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Roots are here. Roots are equal.
Equal and real.
Equal and real. Equal and real. Equal and real. Next third one, b square minus 4ac is less than 0.
No.
Roots are
Not.
imaginary, or roots are not real. Real, those are imaginary. Write down Simon there. Imaginary. Now let us look at the problem. Here a is equal to 4, and b is equal to how much?
4 root.
Minus 4 root 3. You should remember that sign also. C is equal to 3. C is equal to this. C. Here what is the quadratic formula? Yeah. Quadratic roots is equal to minus b of b square minus 4ac by tell me minus b plus r. Minus b plus or minus b plus or minus by 2a. Total you should write 2a. Next what is there? Minus b, what is that? Minus 4 root 3 and then next plus or minus b square minus 4ac. b is equal to minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into a how much? 4 a power b c3. This is the equation by 2 into again 4. Then what will come? Answer minus 4 root 3 plus or minus
root 0. Root 0.
Okay, what is this supposed to do in this problem? This will become how much it will become?
Minus 4 whole.
Minus into minus plus 16 into 3. 16 into 3 this is. Next minus 4
16 into 3.
and 48. 48 by 2a. Then minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0. This is root 0 by 2a. Then what will happen? Tell me. What will happen here? Tell me. Problem is there, is never there. Tell me.
Minus 4 root 3.
Minus 4 root 3 by 2 into a. A is 4 there. Under 4. Is equal to how much?
Minus 4 root 3 by 8.
By 8. 8 is
3 root 3.
Here 4
4
2 sir. Next
3 by 2.
root 3 by 2. These are the two types, minus root by 2 zeros. How they are? Therefore the 2 zeros are therefore here. Therefore 2 zeros are how much? Plus or minus, this is plus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Stop. This is the answer.